Hey there Songbird, Kerri Ho from the Songbird where we get grounded, take flight and sing. And today we are at day 8 of your 21 days to your new voice journey. Throughout the last 7 days I've given you bite-sized somethings to help you to just, be able to create the habit of showing up every day to do something small to transform your voice. I really hope that you've enjoyed this journey so far. And as we enter into the second week of this 21-day journey, I thought it'd be really good to just kind of touch base with you again about how you're feeling and about how you're thinking about this whole thing, about you trying to get better as a singer and just you as a singer in general. And so I want to talk about mindset again, okay? This is so important. Essentially what I want to talk about today is the difference between a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. A fixed mindset is one that says, I wasn't born with natural singing talent, so I'll never be able to sing well. And it's fixed, the mindset's basically saying, this is it is what it is, oh well, and that's it, there's a limitation there. Versus a growth mindset, which basically says, no matter where I am today, I can always grow, right? So even if I'm not born with natural singing talent, doesn't matter, wherever I am today, whether I sing completely out of tune, whether I have a reasonable sense of pitch, whether I just need to develop my tone, or whether I need to develop my range, or whatever it is, wherever I am today, I believe that I can grow. I believe that I can take steps to actually get better. I believe that I can go and seek out the knowledge, the resources, the people, whatever it is that I need in order to grow. And I would like to encourage you and all of us around the globe as songbirds to have a growth mindset. And to have a growth mindset is really a choice. It's just about really waking up in the morning every day and just actually saying, you know what, I don't want to choose to believe that there's a limitation. I don't want to choose to believe that just because I haven't got a naturally talented or natural talent in my singing voice, whatever that means, or just because I'm not good, I've never succeeded in this area before, or just because my dad said that I don't have a good voice, or whatever it is, right? I'm not going to choose to let that limit me, but instead I'm just going to say, well, I'm going to accept where I am today, but I'm actually going to choose to say I believe that I can grow. And I'm just going to go, okay, what's the next step that I can do today to actually help me to grow? And this, of course, applies to all areas of life. Like, it's not just about your singing, And I really want you to think about, have you grown up with a limiting thought that's really made you sort of have this fixed mindset, and especially in regards to your singing? And if so, I'd love for you to really just draw a line in the sand and make a choice today that you're going to stop having that fixed mindset, and you're just going to choose to have a growth mindset. And what a growth mindset means is not only are you believing that you can actually grow beyond where you are today, but that you actually got to take some action. We all know that no matter what level we are at as singers, or in anything that we're trying to do in life, we need to take steps if we want to get better. We can't just expect to sit on our butts, stay in bed all day, and then our lives are going to improve, or our talent's going to improve. That's just not the way it is, You and I know that we've got to put in a little bit of blood, sweat and tears in order to really get, where we want to go. But the great way that we can go about it is that we can just take little steps. And that's what this whole series, 21 Days to Your New Voice, has been about. I've intentionally come and just shown up for a few minutes every day to really just be your virtual personal vocal coach, to say, hey, you can do one little thing today to transform your voice. So there you go, Songbird. That's my thought for today. I really hope that we can all reset our minds and really choose a growth mindset. You know that I am always believing in you, and I really want to see you get grounded, take flight, and sing. So have a think about that one, and I hope that from now on you start to choose, to show up no matter where you are, and go, okay, I'm just going to take whatever little steps I need to take to grow, and every day I take one that grows me a bit more. The next day I'd take another one that grows me a little bit more, and who knows, when I look back after 6 months, 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, I will have grown so much, and there will be so much to celebrate. Alright, well, enjoy the journey as we go. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 9 of 21 Days to Your New Voice. In the meantime, if you're really super excited about getting to the next level with your voice, and you'd love a comprehensive way to warm up your voice with my best warm-up exercises, click on the link below and you will be taken to a page to sign up for my free ultimate warm-up guide. So get your hands onto that. I know you're going to love it. It's going to be really helpful. Alrighty, I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 9. See you later, Songbird. Bye.